Hello, good evening. Before you log into our system, you first launch Oracle. When you launch Oracle, it will bring an interface. Then you choose Apex. After choosing Apex, it will bring a login screen where you have to log into the system. Then you have to input a password. Like when the user inputs a wrong password, it will bring an error message like that showing invalid credentials. Then let's try to type the correct password, that is bridge. Then you see it has loaded, meaning the password was right. Then this interface which has been brought up, it has where the space where we create the workspace. Then we choose, because we already have our workspace, we go to already have an account, where you have to put the password you chose while creating your workspace, and that was J. Then we log in. When we log in, it will bring the back end of the system as it looks alike. Then you go to application builder. It will bring several projects that are on the system. Then we choose our project, which is demo projects, and we launch it. When you launch it, it will bring the interface where we have an option of running the application. Then we run it. When we run it, then it's like how homepage looks like this. This is a learning system. As you see, the interface looks alike. You see there is a book and a pencil, which shows that it's really an educative system. It has a button which takes us to the login page. It's right here down. When you press it and you launch it, it will bring a login screen where we have to put in credentials, the username and the password. For example, we already have one user, that is admin, and the password is also admin. Let's try to enter and see. When you log in, it opens up another page where we have tables that are in the system and other pages. This is the class interface, where we have a student ID, first name, and other fields included. Then you can also go to then if you want to move from this page to the back page, you can place log out and you go back. But let's first go into all of these. We have the subjects, where we have the student, the course he takes, the teacher who tutors that corresponding course, and the name of the course. Here you can also add another student, where you can go and create a row and you input in data. For example, our new student is Chanda. The course may be BAM. The name of the teacher or tutor may be Nduga. And then the course, let's say computing. And then when you add the law, it automatically, when you submit, it is added there. And when you check, you will find there Chanda is there. Then we can also go at the teacher's page, where we have the teacher's credentials, ID, phone number, subject, department where the teacher belongs. We already have an example here of Kakoza Paul, that is a teacher. You can go also on live tutorials. Here students may need to see teachers. They may need to see teachers physically, but you can also access this when you have the internet connected. After, you can log out and you turn back to our first page. Thank you. Hello, good evening. Before you log into our system, you first launch Oracle.